So Sarita bought 2/5 meters of ribbon and Lalita 3/4 meters of ribbon. What is the total length of the ribbon they bought? So length of ribbon Sarita bought is equal to 2/5 meters. Length of ribbon Lalita bought equal to 3/4 meters. Total length of the ribbon they bought equal to, add these fractions, 2/5 plus 3/4. Here the denominator is different. Take the LCM. 5 4s are 20. Now 20 divided by 5, it is 4. 4 into 2. Now here 20 divided by 4, it is 5. So 3 into 5 equal to 4 2s are 8 plus 3 5s are 15 upon 20 equal to 15 plus 8, it is 23. 23 upon 20, you can write this in mixed fraction also. So if you divide it 23 by 20, so 20 ones are 20. 3 minus 0, 3, 2 minus 2, 0. So in mixed fraction it can be written as 1 3/20. 1 3/20 meters. Now next question. Naina was given 1/2 piece of cake and Nazma was given 1/3 piece of cake. Find the total amount of cake was given to both of them. So piece of cake Naina was given. Question number 3. Piece of cake Naina was given. It is equal to 1/2. Now piece of cake Nazma, piece of cake Nazma was given. How much piece was given? It is 1/3. 1/3. So total amount of cake given to both of them. Total amount of cake given to both of them. So to find out the total amount, add these two mixed fractions. It will be 1/2 plus 1/3. So equal to, first of all, change 1/2 and 1/3 in improper fraction. So it will be 1/2 plus 1/3. How to change them into improper fraction. 2 1 ja 2, that is 1 into 2 plus 1 upon 1 into 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 into 3 plus 1 upon 3 equal to 2 1 ja 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 3 1 ja 3 plus 1 upon 2. So 2 plus 1 it is 3 upon 2 plus 3 plus 1 that is 4 upon 2. Now here the denominator is same, so LCM will be 2. Now in numerator it will be 3 plus 4 equal to 3 plus 4 7 upon 2. This is improper fraction, so divide 7 by 2. If you divide 7 by 2, 2 3s are 6, 1, so 3 1 by 2, 3 1 by 2. So total amount of cake here it is wrong, here it is 3, so here it will be 3. So 3 plus 1 4 upon 3. Now take the LCM. Take the LCM, denominators are different, so LCM will be 6. Now 3 3s are 9 plus 2 4s are 8 equal to 9 plus 8 17 upon 6. Divide 17 by 6. 17 by 6. 6 2s are 12, 7 minus 2 5. So 2 5 upon 6, 2 5 upon 6. Question number 4. Question number 4. Here it is said, fill in the boxes A. Here the box is given minus 5 upon 8 equal to 1 upon 4. So you can take here x. So x minus 5 upon 8 equal to 1 upon 4. 5 upon 8 transpose to other side, you will get x is equal to 1 upon 4 plus 5 upon 8. When we transpose any term or fraction, the sign are changed. So now take the LCM of 4 and 8. 4 1 ja 4 2 ja 2 1 1. So 4 2 ja 8. Now divide this 8 by 4. 4 2 ja 8. So multiply 1 by 2 plus 8 divided by 8 is 1. So multiply 5 by 1. So 1 2 ja 2 plus 5 upon 8 equal to 7 upon 8. be 7 upon 8 minus 5 upon 8 equal to 1 upon 4. Now question number 5. Complete the addition subtraction box. So here one box, that is one square, is divided into 9 parts plus, and here it is minus. Two upon 3, 4 upon 3. 2 upon 3, 4 upon 3 is given. 1 upon 3, 2 upon 3. 1 upon 3, 2 upon 3. Here plus is given, so we have to add row wise. So 2 upon 3 plus 4 upon 3. Take the LCM, you will get 3, and in the numerator 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 equal to 6. 6 upon 3. Write down in standard form. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, so 2. So here it will be 2. Now 1 upon 3. 1 upon 3 plus 2 upon 3. Take the LCM, 3. Now 1 plus 2. It will be 3 upon 3. Standard form, it will be 1. Here it will be 1. Now here it is subtraction. So 2 upon 3 minus 1 upon 3. 2 upon 3 minus 1 upon 3. Take the LCM. 3. 2 minus 1 equal to 2 minus 1, it is 1. 1 upon 3. So here it will be 1 upon 3. Now 4 upon 3 minus 2 upon 3. 4 upon 3 minus 2 upon 3. Take the LCM. 3. 4 minus 2, it is 2 upon 3. So here it will be 2 upon 3. Now one box is remaining. 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. You can check. 2 minus 1. Here we have to subtract in this column wise. So 2 minus 1, it is 1. And row wise we have to add. So 1 upon 3 plus 2 upon 3. 1 upon 3 plus 2 upon 3. Take the LCM. 3. So in the numerator 1 plus 2 upon 3. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 upon 3. Standard form, it will be 3 divided by 3 equal to 1. So 2 minus 1, 1. 1 upon 3 plus 2 upon 3, it is also 1. So here 1 will come. Now question number 6. Question number 6. Here it is said, a piece of wire. Question number 6. A piece of wire 7 upon 8 meter long So length of the wire, length of the wire, it is 7/8 meters. Broke into 2 pieces. One piece was 1/8 meter long. So length of one piece. Length of one piece. Length of one piece is 1/4 meters. So length of other piece, it is from the whole part subtract this length of one piece. So 7/8 minus 1/4. Now take the LCM. LCM of 8 and 4. 4 2s are 8 and 4 1s are 4. Now 2 1 1. 4 2s are 8. Now LCM is 8. Divide this 8 by 8, it is 1. So 7 into 1 minus 8 divided by 4, it is 2. So 1 into 2 equal to 7 1s are 7 minus 2/8 equal to 5/8 meters. Now question number 7. Question number 7 is Nandini's house is 9/10 kilometers from her school. She walked some distance and then took a bus for 1/2 kilometers to reach the school. How far did she walk? So distance between house and school. Distance between house and school, it is 9/10 kilometers. 9/10 kilometers. Now distance traveled by bus. Distance traveled by bus, it is given 1/2 kilometer. Now distance she walked. Distance she walked. So total distance minus distance traveled by bus, it is 9/10 minus 1/2. Take the LCM. LCM is 10 2 5 2. 2 5s are 10 and 2 1s are 2. 5 1 1. So 2 5s are 10. LCM is 10. Now 10 divided by 10, 1. 9 into 1. 10 divided by 2, it is 5. So 1 multiplied by 5. So equal to 9 1s are 9 and minus 5 1s are 5/10 equal to 9 minus 5 4/10. So in a standard form, 2 2s are 2 5s are equal to 2/5 kilometer. Now